Think of yourself like your phone. Now, here's the funny thing. We treat our phones better than we treat our own energy. If our battery drops to 10%, we panic. We run for a charger like it's life or death. But when our own motivation drops to 10%, we just sit there, waiting for it to magically recharge. Here's the truth. You don't need to be at 100% to function. Your phone still works at 15%, right? So do you. You don't need full power to start. You just need enough. One small action, that's like plugging yourself in. Send that one text, do that one push-up, write down that one idea. Boom, you're at 5%. Do a little more, and you're at 20%. Keep going, and suddenly you're back to full charge without even realizing it. But here's where people get stuck. They wait. They say, I'll start when I feel ready, when I'm fully charged. Imagine if your phone said, sorry, I can't turn on until I'm at 100%. Useless, right? Yet that's exactly how we treat our own goals. The battery takes care of itself after you plug in. Motivation works the same way. Action is the charger. Energy doesn't come before you move, it comes because you move.